If you don't like insects but still love nature, then stick around. We're exploring the intriguing world of wasps. Wasps are known for their slender bodies and striking yellow and black stripes. Unlike bees, wasps have smooth bodies and a narrow waist. Yes, they can sting, and yes, it hurts. Wasps can sting multiple times, so be cautious around them. But did you know wasps are also amazing builders? They create their nests from a paper-like material made by chewing wood fibers mixed with their saliva. You'll find these nests under eaves, in trees, or even underground. Wasps are nature's pest control, hunting other insects, though they do enjoy a bit of nectar too. Their life cycle includes egg, larva, pupa, and adult stages, with queens starting new colonies each spring. So next time you see a wasp, remember it's not just a stinger but an essential part of our ecosystem. If you like insects and enjoy learning about wasps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting nature facts.